my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you my secret how to make lips immensely bigger instantly. No, we don't have to go through any surgery or needles. Then you will get instantly immensely beautiful, juicy, sexy lips. This video is gonna be a short video, but yes, it will become a staple of your makeup like these steps have become staple for my makeup. So let's jump into the video. Further ado, let's get started. The tips and tricks I'm going to share with you will give you not only juicy, sexy lips, but also healthy lips. The first tip to get healthy lips is scrub your lips. For this, there are three alternatives. One, I'm using Skinn lip scrub from Nordstrom. I'm not certain where all you can get this from. So this is the one I use. This is a juicy, tasty lip scrub. If you can get hold of this, do get it. Or else, no, I'm not going to brush my teeth. This also can act as an exfoliator. In the morning when you want to go out for a special occasion, take your toothbrush and exfoliate your lips gently. When you're using this, remember, you have to do it gently. If you're using a lip scrub, then anyways, these lip scrubs have microgranules which are easy on your lips. And if you don't have both of them, I am still skeptic if you don't have this one. If you don't have these two, then you can mix sugar and honey and scrub your lips. That's the best natural way to scrub your lips. After you're done with your scrubbing of lips, you'll instantly see that your lips have become fuller because there's a lot of blood circulating on your lips. Which will give it a look of more plumper lips. And let me come back after scrubbing my lips. Once again, three things to remember when you scrub your lips is: 1. Be gentle on your lips. 2. Do not exfoliate your lips 3 times a week because it may lead to dryness and then your lips may break. 3rd, after you're done with scrubbing, instantly grab your lip balm, and if after this step you want to stop, you find your lips plump enough, you can stop here after just scrubbing. Now let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is the vital step. You have to get a lip liner of exactly your natural lip color. I'm using this one. If you don't get a hold of this one, maybe any other lip liner, whichever you get, but should be matching to your lips. Now the technique or the analogy to apply lip liner is most important. Let me zoom in the video. Lip liner is the best way to make your lips plumper only if you get the technique. If you understand, if you get needles for making your lips plumper, they inject it on the cupid bow here. So this is the only place where you can overdraw your lips. If you overdraw your lips overall, you'll suddenly start looking like a joker or a clown or round lips. So that's not what we want to achieve. We want to achieve bigger lips. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. So let's again revisit the 2 points. Lip liner should be the same color of your lips or one shade lighter. On your upper lip, you can only overdraw your lips at the cupid bow, and let me draw it.
Now if you notice, I'm going to overdraw my cupid bow and I'm not going all the way out of my natural shape. I'm keeping the shape natural and drawing the lip liner where my cupid's bow actually creases, on the crease. Now when I'm moving towards outer side of the lips, I'm not overdrawing it. And when I'm covering my cupid bow, if you notice, I've covered the gap between the 2 arrows so that my lips look filled up. If you fill this gap with a lip liner of the same color, this will give an effect of rounder and fuller lips.
Now when you're going to draw your lower lip, you have the liberty to overdraw because naturally our lower lip is little creased. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to overdraw my lower lip.
As I said, naturally our lower lip is creased, so we have a shadow happening under the lower lip. So you can overdraw the lower lip little beyond the crease. If you see where my crease is, I'm drawing little outwards from that. And God also have created our lower lip little bigger than the upper lip, so we can enjoy this liberty.
And if you notice, I've also a little bit colored it inside my lips,
so that everything when applied lipstick becomes seamless and it gives a creased effect.
Step number 4, it is ideally recommended to use matte lipstick. So I'm going to use a matte lipstick from Anastasia. This is a nudish pink, very close to my skin tone.
When you're working with your lipstick, remember two things. One, go only one layer of lipstick at a time, let it dry and then coat it second time if you feel it is sheer. Second, the most important thing, since you've overdrawn your lips, you have to cover the lip liner with the lipstick so that everything becomes seamless and it looks as if you have got natural lips. When you're doing this, you have to cover the gap between the cupid bow too. If you're not very comfortable wearing just the matte lipstick because of the texture of the lips, then the only thing I can suggest you is wear a matte lipstick, let it dry and then cover it with a sheer glossy lipstick.
And now calls for the last step, step number 4. This is an option. You may stop at step number 3, but as I am little extra with my makeup, I love my makeup, so I do this. What I do, I take any bronzer, any matte bronzer, I create a shadow under my lower lip.
What I'll do, I'll place the flat brush with bronzer right under my lower lip to create a shadow right beneath the lower lip, but the middle part, only the middle part. This will give a illusion that my lip is naturally bigger because the shadow is there. If you can see, I'll show the two clips. See my bigger lip versus my natural lip. So this is how I achieve a bigger lip instantly, which you can also fake so easily, just with few steps.
This gives an instant illusion my lips are bigger because the shadow creates as if I've got some needles happening and my lips are fuller. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was short and crisp. I hope it will help you. I hope this will serve some purpose for you. Until we meet next, kindly subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated to create more content for you. Until we meet next, take care and bye bye.